Yeah. But I think it's time that we should get some R&R. You know, rest and relaxation. We've got a big day of crime fighting tomorrow. You know, Rose Wilson may be right. Funny enough, I was thinking the exact same thing. Come on, girls. Oh, Thomas. Me and my friends are gonna be heading to bed for a snooze. So make sure to keep an eye out, just in case any rodent wants to lay a finger on our cheddar cubes from the slumber party. Have a good night.
Yeah, I know what you're thinking. A cat woman owning a cat? Next you'll be telling me that Toto from The Wizard of Oz is related to Charlie Dog from Looney Tunes.
Okay, coast is clear.
All right. So what do you think is in this place?
Ooh, there's cheddar cubes, just like Mother used to make.
All right. Let's bust this concrete stand open.
Guess it's time for Plan B. Hey, Jim, how come you're on top? Because it's much easier for me to search for things prospectively. Okay, right.
Jim, do you see the cheddar cubes?
Yep. Oh boy. What's the matter? Looks like that pussycat's inside again.
How are you gonna get in?
Well, men, looks like we're going through the roof.
Right, now give me your foot.
What?
Now make sure to tie the knot around your waist. Shh! You'll wake the pussycat.
Right. Now here's a good time for me to go over the plan. I'm thinking... Hey fellas, this is great!
Stop fooling around.
Swing me closer.
Well, okay, but hurry up and grab me the ones with cheddar.
What was that? Well, whatever it is, I sure hope it's not... ghosts? Well, only one way to find out. Thanks, buddy.
Well, that went well.
I agree. But all the same, I just can't help but think we've forgotten something. Well, Thomas, it looks like you've caught yourself a midnight treat, 1 in a million.
You are so busted.
Tell me about it.
Ugh, Jareth, how much longer do we have to keep trudging like this? I've never trudged before in my life. As long as we find that wild mouse, fellas, then we'll make some great wild mouse dinner.
I think I sense Wild Mouse nearby, which is why I've come fully prepared with his only kryptonite, cheese.
I taught a kitty cat.
You're not just with one Dixie, brother.
So you lost all 9 lives, huh? Well, come on in, Jethro. Ah, yes. Chased under a steamroller, huh? Well, come on in, Jasper. Oh, yes. Sylvester, the pussycat with all the questions. Apparently, you have spent your whole life chasing after a defenseless little canary bird. Well, with misbehavior like that, I'm afraid I can't let you in. I'm sorry, Sylvester. However, the Heavenly Express does not leave for an hour. If within that time, you will obtain the signature of that sweet little canary bird on the certificate of forgiveness, you will be permitted to pass. But if you fail, it's this.
Let me have him! Send him down! Give him to me now!
Remember, Sylvester, you have only until an hour.
Now just what are you up to this time, kitty cat?
Nothing. I just want you to find this. Alright, look. You don't understand. You've gotta find this certificate so I can be a good little kitty cat.
Yeah, and how do I know you're not lying to me?
I'm not, okay? Now hurry! All of my 9 lives are on the line.
Okay, keep your fur coat on. You know, sometimes I have no idea what's gotten into that kitty cat lately.